This is Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to make a really cool graduation money holder card. It's so cute, you guys. And it's so easy too. All you do is just upload the SVG, and I'll leave the link below on where you can get this freebie. And once it's uploaded, we will go ahead and click on Make It, and it's going to take one sheet of cardstock paper, and we're going to go ahead, hit continue, and then I'm going to select medium cardstock, and then we're going to just go ahead and click on the arrow key and the Cricut button. Okay, so this is going to be the easiest card to do. All you do is just fold on the lines, and then we're going to take some glue and just go ahead and do the sides, and do this side as well. Okay, and then we just place this on top. It's that easy. Let's see, let's push this down. That's it, you guys. Isn't that so cute? It's so easy. It's so cute. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you want to see other videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on them. Thanks. Bye.